Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm from Coolage, and I'll be asking Rohan a couple of questions today. So, what's Coolage Frogs?
So Coolage Frogs are a fun way for teens to add all types of multimedia such as images, text, audio, and video, and you can combine them all in one place and take it on the go also on your phone.
So, what's so special about Coolage?
Coolage is really special because as of now, there is no other way to add all of this content to one single frog. There's just a little bit here and a little bit there, and it's really unorganized. So Coolage tries to organize it and make it fun for teens also.
So, what are a couple of features?
That's one feature. Another feature is that you can take it on the go on your mobile phone as long as you have web access, and you can also there's a one-click to add content button, which is really great because it's really quick, easy, and convenient and simple.
All right, thank you.